let's go to our courses. So we are inspectortraining.com. We are APIU approved trainer on fundamentals of pressure vessel, storage tank, piping, and risk-based inspection. And we are also an accredited provider for our API ICP certification courses, individual certification program. So these are two different courses. The APIU approved is aimed at companies who wants to, and it's a wider audience, is aimed at. It's a 2 days classroom, and ICP is specifically aimed at preparing you for the exam API individual certification program. We got a lot of free tips, QA/QC tips you can have download. We have a free quiz for virtually every API ICP exam. And we have our webinar recording, including this one that we upload, and you can watch it in case you missed our webinars. And you can see our accreditation here. You can cross-check our expertise, our journey, how we came here. This is a result of 3.5 years of our engineers working on all these courses. And we would say we are the pioneer of e-learning self-paced courses. And you can meet our team and our offices, and there are frequently asked questions that you might not find in API FAQ, so we brought it here. You can contact us if you have any question, and you can open a free account if you, and then watch our first and second module of virtually all our courses for free. And we also have a WhatsApp line where you can ask us any technical query, and or any general query, or if you bought our courses, you need any access and IT. Okay, I'll go to show you just briefly our popular courses. We are providing API learning in 510 pressure vessel inspector, both in full course and mock exam package, 570 piping inspector, and 653 storage tank, and 580 risk-based inspection, and 577 welding inspection and metallurgy, 1169 pipeline inspection, and source inspector fixed and rotating equipment. And we also provide APIU approved courses on pressure vessel storage tank. So if you're in a company, you can contact us, and we will perform the course and a workshop for our fundamental courses, and it's for a wider audience. So if you understand the concept, you can always go for our mock exam package, which includes the mock exam of flashcards, highlight of important potential question. And if you would like our full course, you can buy our full course. And once you buy this, you have access to that. If you have any trouble, you can always contact us. And as I said, you can try our quiz and first module for free. So this is a 4 hours of video, 12 flashcards, PowerPoint presentations, 21 lessons, and 600 questions. And 120 days, 24/7 course access and online support. And it's 100% pass rate guarantee, because in any situation, if you fail, even if it's your fault, we don't ask you a question. You have 2 options with us. You can ask us for another 4 months access, or you can refund your money. This is around 30 hours of including solving the questions we estimate that would take you. And let's go to the course content. Let me tell you what is this about, because then I'm going to body of knowledge. So basic facts is what, the general facts of registration, the body of knowledge and exam tips. So this is what I'm going to delve into it and let you know what is this body of knowledge and exam tips. And then module 3, we have terms and definition. There are many questions coming from that: inspection before, during, and after welding, and 8 popular welding processes, as I said, and welding procedure and qualifications, and welding consumables, welder qualifications, and non-destructive examination or NDE. So we put the introduction and all the popular ones, NDTs, the concepts, how does it work? Because you need to understand the concept, because if you don't understand them, if they phrase a question or they ask you a question, it might be difficult to answer. And so you should know what is the concept of PT, penetrant test set, for example, where is it used? What's the difference between this and PT and MT? Because they're all surface, they're showing surface discontinuities or discontinue open to surface, same PT case. And MT also does say subsurface, and UT and RT are volumetric, and they have their own concept of how they work. So say UT used for lamination, you don't use it in RT to detect lamination, because RT works on a space. So the amount of space in lamination is very less. So it's difficult to see lamination through a radiography. We have lots of flashcards and practice questions, and then metallurgy, and then refinery welding issues. And then we have extensive 6 sets of PowerPoint presentation on welding inspection, WPS, WPQ, PQR. And then we have, again, all these flashcards. And then we have 4 sets of full exam, mock exams. And our mock exam are exactly designed as per API spirit of examination and format. So you have a flag of button there, and this timed. So just creating the same environment, and also the question we ask you is based on how API is going to ask you, because API, they're not going to ask you engineering question. They're not going to ask you deep master level, like welding question or NDT question. You're not supposed to be a welding inspector. If you are a seasoned welding inspector or NDT examiner, don't read too much into the question. So that sort of thing. We want to give you enough to answer the question.